and let's just feel the throttle under it, you know? Figure out how to start it up. Put, oh, you already have. Oh, yeah, yeah, just
no,
put,
no, no, no.
It's just,
it's
not gonna do anything.
I'm gonna like shoot it through the fence.
Hey, it's not gonna do it. It's just gonna go whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. You know what I mean?
Okay.
There you go. Welcome back to another slightly outnumbered adventure. I'm actually going to take a look at a motorcycle, a dirt bike. Make sure you stay tuned till the end to see what we get into. I'm hoping I could teach Allison how to ride a motorcycle. All right, guys, so the bike purchase was a success. As you can see it's right there in the back of the truck. The people I bought it from were super cool. I didn't want to film at their house. They live in a really nice neighborhood and stuff. So once I get it back to our house, I will give you a run through of what it looks like and hopefully do a startup and all that stuff. See you in a bit. Made a little pit stop to have lunch with Allie, and she is sitting on her new dirt bike, seeing how she likes it.
That's crazy.
What do you think?
It feels a little terrifying already.
Is it more terrifying than your first side-by-side?
No. Yeah. This is gonna take so much control. It'll be a good challenge. Okay.
Oh, that was scary. All right. I think that's the perfect size for you to start out on. We made it back home. Had a little mishap on the way. The spare carb that gave me with the sail started leaking in the truck, smelling real bad. Ready for the cool fall weather. It's October, man. Where's the cool temperatures at? Okay, let's go. Put these straps away. Take this carb and see if I can shoot these in the bag. There's 1, 2, 3. That thing is nice. Very nice bike. KLX 140R 2024. This one's for Allie, so she can learn to ride. Alright, let's go put this over here. Yeah. See what Caesar thinks of Sam Mackers and Carl think of Allie's dirt bike.
Oh, that's so cool. What is it? It's like oh, what?
It's big, huh? Dang, with you standing next to it, I could realize how big it is.
I can ride this thing.
You could?
I can't stand stand it up.
You can, yeah.
I can't hold it up.
Could you?
I can. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. I think.
Oh, okay.
But somebody's gonna have to stand it up. That thing's nice.
Like it's in neutral, right? And let's just feel the throttle under it, you know? Let me make sure it's in neutral. Okay. So figure out how to start it up. Put, oh, you
I am
already
not
have.
turning this
Oh,
on
yeah.
right now.
Yeah, just
No,
push.
no.
It's just.
Steven,
It's not gonna do anything.
I'm gonna like shoot it through the
Babe,
fence.
it's not gonna do it. It's just gonna go whoa, whoa, whoa.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
Okay. Get out of the way, Mac. Yeah, just push the yellow thing. Just hold it. That's it. Okay, now just do this and make sure it does roll. Yeah, I mean, it wouldn't have started if it was in. Oh, okay. Do it again. Back up, Mac. Okay, give it a little gas. There you go. You're a moto girl now. Yeah. No, that's to start it, babe. Just switch. Yeah, flip the switch. There you go. Isn't it pretty like nimble though? Doesn't it feel like?
Yeah.
Oh, you'll be fine, baby.
Much heavier than the bike, babe.
Yeah, I know.
I feel good about me being able to touch the ground.
Yeah. It's like brand new, huh?
I'm so freaking out.
It's gonna be fun. I'm excited.
Dang, Max got a good little.
Yeah, he's gonna be ripping this.
And then Cece's got
And
something else.
Cece's gonna get something coming. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed getting to see my wife's new motorcycle. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure that you smash that subscribe button because we got a lot of cool new stuff coming.